Often in statistics, what we want to do is we want to compare the distributions of different values in the dataset, right? In that case, we can overlay the histograms. Now, what I want to do is I want to create a histogram, and I'm going to generate random numbers from a normal distribution. And then I'm going to say the mean is 0, and I'm going to say the standard deviation, let's say 6. And if I run this, and I'm going to create another one, which is also from a normal distribution, but I'm going to say this is the second histogram, right? So what we want to do is we want to overlay these two histograms. So if I come in here and say hist function, and I'm going to say this is the first histogram that I want to visualize, right? And then I'm going to say the color of it is a blue, and I run this. Now, when it's come to overlaying these two histograms, I simply need to come in here and say pass in this second data set, and I come in here and say I want this to be red in color, and then I say add. I set this to true. Okay, so now we want to overlay the histograms, and in order to do that, we set the add argument of the second histogram to true. And if you run this, so now we have multiple histograms in this plot. And now from this result, we can observe that we have multiple histograms. The red one represents the second data set, the histogram from the second data set, and then the first histogram, which is blue in color, is the first histogram from the first data set, right? And you can observe here that the mean is quite the same. However, there is a difference in standard deviation, right? And that is how you can be able to plot multiple histograms.